My name is Abdul Hafiz. This is the project I've been working on. It's an ultrasonic sensor that is used to measure distance. Here we have our maker pi pico, groove connector, ultrasonic sensor, OLED, and our Tony IDE which we use to program it. So here's how it works. If the distance that the ultrasonic sensor measures is less than 10, it will show the distance and set it as short. The distance between my hand and the sensor is 2.66, so it will show short. If it's between 10 to 20, it will show medium. 10 to 20. But if it's above 20, it will show long. Thank you.
My project is to make a simple ATM simulator. The components we used are the Raspberry Pi Pico, the Maker Pi Pico, the OLED display, the groove connector, and our Tony IDE. So when it prompts us to enter our pin, if we input the wrong pin, 345, it will tell us that there are only 2 tries left. If we put the wrong pin again, so we only have 1 try left. Then we have to put the right pin before it prompts us to do whatever we want to do. So if we input the wrong pin 3 times, it tells us that the card is blocked. It prompts you to enter your pin. The correct pin is 123. So I'll enter 123. Then it asks us to choose an option. So if we want to check our balance, our initial balance is $10,000. If we want to deposit, to put number 2. Then it will prompt us on the amount we want to deposit. $9,000. So we have deposited $9,000 now. So our balance is $19,000. If we want to withdraw, we'll put number 3. Then to ask us how much we want to withdraw, then we'll put the amount, $5,000. So it has debited $5,000. So our balance is $14,000. Then finally we can exit. Thank you.
My name is Suleiman and I am designing a smart home using our OLED display, GHT11 sensor and our LDR sensor. In addition to that, we are using our Raspberry Pi Pico W and Maker Pi Pico. This is our Tony IDE. This microcontroller measures the light intensity, temperature and humidity, which it displays on the LED display. As we can see, the temperature is around 28 degrees, a humidity of 71% and dark light intensity. If our temperature is more than 30 degrees or less than 30 degrees, it sounds an alarm. As we can see from the OLED display, it is 28 degrees, so it doesn't sound an alarm. The humidity is set at 75%. If it is greater than 75%, it sounds an alarm. And as you can see, it is 70%, so it does not sound an alarm. For the light intensity, if it is dark, it sounds an alarm. So we hear a beeping sound because the light intensity is dark. Thank you. So now I'm going to demonstrate when there is a bright light intensity. So for example, if the LDR is increased, it shows a bright light, as you can see from the OLED display. And if it is decreased, it shows a dark light with a beeping sound, which can be seen on the OLED. soon.